Awesome, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song here from RUSHERKING. Not sure if we had him before in this channel at this time. We have anyway the song called Perfecta, and yeah, it's a simple strumming pattern with this one and a couple chords we will need to handle, otherwise it's pretty straightforward. So let's start this one up. We'll go over the chords first, and we don't need any capo for this one. So we'll start with the F. So that is a bar chord here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the next chord here. It's C, but with an E in the bass, so the C E chord. We'll play a downstroke over all strings there. It's open E in bass, then third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the second bar chord here. This is the A sharp sus chord. sus2. So that's a bar chord on the first frets from the A string and down, so 5 strings if you count from bottom up, and then you place third fret on the D string and third fret on the G string. Then we have the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. So 5 chords: F, the C E, A sharp, A minor, and D minor. So we have just one chord progression for the verse and another for the chorus, and that's what I'm gonna give you, and the strumming pattern, and you will put everything on place, do the rest there. So we'll start with the verse, and the first chord, it's the F. We need to look at the strumming pattern first so we know how to handle the chords. So it will go with one same strumming pattern through the entire song. So with the F, it will be down, up, clap, up. That is one round. So down, up, clap, up. That is how it sounds. Down, up, clap, up. When you do the ups, you don't have to go up like that. It's too much. So you just turn your wrist like that and hit the bottom strings here, the E, B, perhaps the G as well, but not that much more. Just a switch like that, it's enough. So down, up, clap, up. So to give you a couple of rounds of that strumming pattern for you to get a context of how it sounds, it would be like this. Alright, so let's take a look at the chord progression for the verse. You will play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and the chords will be F, the C E, the A sharp, sus chord, and back to F. So it starts and ends with F. F, C E, A sharp, F. F, C E, A sharp, F. Like this. Alright, so that's the verses, and the choruses will be played with the same strumming, and also here it will play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and now the chord progression will be D minor, A minor, the A sharp sus chord, and the F. So 2 strumming rounds per chord will sound like this. So yeah, that's pretty much what you need to know to play the songs, the verses and the choruses, and that's it. So give it a try. RUSHERKING, Perfecta. Play tuned.